So today we're going to test the brand new feature on Instagram called Add Yours. So this is a way that you can add your own picture or add your own stuff to an Instagram story. So let's see how it works. So this is my Instagram page, one of my Instagram pages, and I'm just going to go here, click story, and then I'm going to hi. You guys saw me. Okay. Then I'm going to, yeah, that's how I look, you guys. I'm just like, ugh. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna find a picture that I like. Okay, I'm gonna add this picture right here, and then I'm going to click on the sticker emoji. So there's a sticker emoji right up here. When you click on it, you see this option called Add Yours, and you can click on it, and it tells people can write a prompt, they can add it, and people can see this sticker and they can add their own pictures. So I'll say, what do I want them to do? So I'll say add your cut in the moment. Yeah, cut in the moment picture. Okay, that sounds good. So now we see that there's a number of characters you can put on here. So you see, I can't put that much. So let's just say pick. So I'm going to just take this, put that up here, and then people can add theirs. So let's go and click send it to story, and that's it. So let's see how it appears on the story feed. So when I click on my stories, I can go here and this is what it looks like. So let's see how people will respond to it, and I'll let you know. So I'm going to my other Instagram page to see if I can test this out. So let's just go here. I'm just going to search for the page where I posted the story to. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go to the story. So this is the story. It says add yours. So when I click on it, it says, hello, here I'm again. Add your cut in moment picture. Okay, so once you go on there, you're going to click on add yours. Okay, it says add yours cut in moment picture. So how will this work? Okay, I'm going to just pick another picture right here. Okay. Yeah, I don't think my daughter want me to add that. So let's click it. Let's do another one. Okay, because my kids, I have to they have to okay what I'm going to add in. So let me just say, let's add, let me add something. Let me just add this. Yeah, because that's me. Okay, so I'm just going to click that. I'm going to add it. And I think it just goes on. It's like everybody can come in here and add and add and add. So let's go back to my other page. I'm just going to go back to my other page right there and see how it works out. So when we go back to my other page, and I'm going to go to the story, I'm going to go here. Now I see, you can see two emojis in there. You can see me. As more people add, it's going to just keep on tagging those people. So I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think I just have to play around with it more. So when you click on the icon right over here, click on the image right over there, it will show that add your cut in moment picture. And it shows that, okay, DM Vlogs Live has added, and I can click on DM Vlogs Live. And I can see, oh my goodness, my daughter is going to be pissed at me for adding this. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. So it shows all the ones that have been added. Okay, so that's how it works. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.